Welcome to episode 6 and SQL basic series. In episode 5, we have learned how to use restrict to remove the duplicate, and today we will explore some very powerful function called aggregate function. Let's start. सो एग्रीगेट फंक्शन क्या होता है? ग्रुप ऑफ वैल्यूज जो कि रिटर्न करता है सिंगल समराइज रिजल्ट को. दे आर वाइडली यूज्ड टू द रिपोर्ट्स एंड एनालिसिस एंड लाइक काउंटिंग द टोटल स्टूडेंट एंड फाइंडिंग द एवरेज मार्क्स. अब काउंट किसे कहते हैं? काउंट एक फंक्शन है जो कि रिटर्न करता है नंबर ऑफ रोज को. एग्जांपल, वी विल गिव अस द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट इन द टेबल, लाइक वी हैव टू राइट COUNT count, and now next we have to sum and averages. Sum adds all the value together, will average give us to average, and the minimum and minimum will give you the smallest value, and maximum give you the maximum value for the table. Some practical questions you have to just to solve it: counting the number of students, finding the total marks, and calculate the average marks. Thank you. So that's all about the episode 6. You have learned how to use count, sum, average, and minimum and maximum in SQL. So in the next episode, we will explore the group by having a group to record. Apply the condition. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to episode 7. Thank you.